Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake. Welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you the very basic conditional statement in PHP programming language that is called the if statement. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. I really appreciate your support. Like your comments, views, suggestions on how I can improve the topic that may be presented in my channel. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like, and you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. So let's get started. PHP is one of the most very popular web programming language. It is called a scripting language similar to Perl, Ruby, Python. And then personally, in my past career as a software engineer team lead, I owe a lot in this programming language because I was able to accept in a job as a software engineer in one of the software engineering company here in Philippines, multinational software engineering company because of my skills in PHP programming. So when I already finished my master's degree in information technology this year 2020, I have decided for myself to focus my attention in making tutorial videos. I want to share my knowledge to all the people around the world who are able to see my tutorial videos in my YouTube channel. So your support by subscribing, comment, likes, and share is a big factor to the success of my channel. I owe you a lot for your help and support. Without your support, my dear viewers and subscribers, I will not able to succeed in my advocacy in sharing knowledge without limits as long as I can. So let's get started. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have here a very simple condition. We have here left question mark PHP, and this is a beginning tag. No, so I'm using, if you wonder what type of text editor that I'm using Sublime registered because I don't have money to buy the registered copy. So you can use that now, or you can use your favorite text editor. So we have here a comment. So echo header for the if conditional statement in PHP. Now here, take a closer look. $age. In PHP programming, guys, it is a loosely typed programming language. What is a loosely typed programming language? In a loosely typed programming language like PHP, Perl, Python, Ruby, you can declare a variable and use it in your program without declaring the data type. So that's much easier. So $age equals 15 semicolon, and then for your if statement, we have here the parts. If we have here condition, and then the body of our condition. If age greater than or equal to 18, assuming that our age is greater than, it is true. Echo at the age of $, you're already an adult, semicolon, and then close right curly bracket. If age $age condition in this line 19 to 21 less than 18, begin left curly bracket, echo at the age of $age, you are still a minor. Question mark greater than. Now in this example here, we clearly see that our age has a value of 15. So this thing will be displayed because our user is still a minor. So let us go to our browser. Localhost if. Okay, so as you can see, we will try to compare, no? So because our age here that we put is 15, so definitely the result, the output is the age of $age, you are still a minor. Now, how about we change this one? Instead of our $age 15, we change to, let's say, 42. Okay, what we'll do is very simple, just refresh the page or reload the page. Okay, at the age, the if conditional statement in PHP, at the age of 42, you are already an adult. Okay, correct? So how about we have here exact 18? You are still an adult. At the age of 18, you are already an adult. So if we put only 6 at our $age, so when you refresh, at the age of 6, you are still a minor. It's very easy to understand the if conditional statement. It is a building block of conditional statements in PHP. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, share, and don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. Click the subscribe button. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video tutorial. This is your friend Jake saying until to the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.